Hey everyone, myself Pooja from Ignite IAS Academy, pursuing intermediate first year CEC. Today my topic is about the new drugs, cosmetics and the bill 2023. First let us know what the bill is and what the drug is and why cosmetics are harmful to your human body. Firstly, drug. Drug is derived from the Latin word dog and it means drug. It is extracted from the plants like tobacco, aspirin, etc. And in the ancient days, these drugs are used for medicine and etc. But nowadays, people misusing the drugs and addicting to them. And later on, the drugs also used in the cosmetics. Cosmetics also overreact on a skin or to a body. The cosmetics like benzone and oxybenzone, Calator are causing cancer, neurotoxicity and diseases to the reproductive organs and causing hormone imbalance. Firstly, this bill is introduced on 10th April 1940 by the Articles 23, 27 and 29. The bill is now again introduced in the Parliament due to the increasing amount of imports of drugs and the manufacturing and supply to the people. Overtaking of the sleeping pills causes depression and psychological problems in a people. The main purpose of this bill is to stop the imports and manufacturing of the drugs. The provisions are like to stop the clinical trials and investigation on the medical devices and drugs. Penalties and fines. The penalties and fines are amounting double to the compensation if not once paid. Later on, the last provision is about to stop the clinical trials and investigation of the devices and the drugs without any license of the government. Finally, beauty of the cosmetics takes away the life. Thank you.